Hi, my name is Carol, and I had Superior Septic Services come out in November of 2020 to pump our tank, and they also replaced our filter.
Yay, he made it! We're going to have our septic pumped, and that's where our septic is, right around there somewhere.
What's the address here? I don't see any screws. Better have screws in it or somebody's in trouble. The old beds only had two. Okay. Okay, this is the second side. The first side's over there. I want the grass on one side and the dirt on one side. Okay. Put the grass over here and
It's a 2-compartment septic system. Does that side also have a filter?
No.
Only one
No,
will?
because this is, you wouldn't filter the solids. The solids coming in from the house
Oh, okay.
are trapped in the first compartment.
Uh-huh.
And if you look, you see the bugs and stuff on the top there.
Right?
The paper, fats, oil, grease, all that stuff's on the top, and then the water, or effluent, goes into the second chamber,
Ah.
up through the filter and then out.
Oh, okay.
So you'll see a lot less solids in the second side.
Oh, that's why it has the 2 compartments.
5% containment, 15%.
Ah.
Then you trim it down some more with the filter.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
The cleanest water possible going to your drain field.
Right. Okay. Yeah, definitely.
apart.
Oh, okay, it's getting old and will come apart. So should we get a new one before we...
That one, maybe both of them can pull it up.
Should we get a new one before we put it back together? So we're going to do the pumping today, but we're going to replace the filter because it looks quite old and shabby. So they'll come back next week to replace the filter. Until you guys come back next week. Septic guy again. Gonna drop off the filter.
We'll see if this one will...
Did you see what the size of the other one was?
What was the other one, cloth?
No, it was very big and huge and white.
Yeah,
Oh, well then.
I know that...
So that filter's gonna be the right size?
I don't know. It just says filter cartridge on my invoice, on my job ticket, so...
Well, the owner had taken the actual filter, so he knew which one it was going to be replacing.
Yeah, I did. None of that's in my notes, so we'll see what we got here.
Well, this filter looks drastically different than the white, huge filter they took out. And it's a different group of guys, so they have no clue if it's going to actually be the right filter.
This isn't even on. So no, we don't have this filter. This is a different deal, but I mean, we can still, we can, I mean, it's up to you.
Well, what's the difference and why is that one so little? Like, what does that do?
I mean, there's no difference really.
Well,
It's
except
just
the
a
other one was
filter.
huge and looks like it actually filtered something, and that looks very tiny. Like, what would that filter even?
Well, I mean, it
Solid
filters the
particles
liquid.
from going outside
Yeah.
of your
Yeah.
I know,
outside
but
of your
where
drain yard, so
where does it
doesn't-
sit?
We would put a new setup in here.
Well, do you have the setup?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's what I was nervous about.
22 and some pipe to make a baffle. Ridiculous. I'll get that.
So they're building a new contraption for the new.
Yeah, this is a baffle. So this makes it so only the effluent comes up through it.
Oh, okay. This is going to make it more so that the solids drop to the bottom and the lighter stuff goes through the drain.
your drain field. You don't want that.
Ah.
That's why you have to. That's why you need to have a baffle.
So this is better than the other one we had.
Well, the other one was.
No, I mean they're
The other one
comparable.
was comparable, definitely.
So.
But now there's more room
All
to
on
actually pump in between.
That's it.
Okay.
So.
So it gives more room. Like the other way, there wasn't much room when he was trying to pump.
Yeah, I mean he probably. I mean, the bottom is kind of concaved in, so everything kind of flows down and clean it out and all that stuff. So.
Okay. Well, it looks prettier and newer.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
All cleaned up and ready for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
We don't want any of those episodes like on the flocking parents.
Yeah.
Now he's putting it all back nice and beautiful. Superior Septic seems to really be on the ball, and they're fast and quick, and they do exactly what they say.
We try.
You do.
See if this one will.
Did you see what the size of the other one was?
What was the other one? Cloth?
No, it was very big and huge and white.
Yeah,
Oh, well then.
I know that.
So that filter's going to be the right size?
I don't know. It just says filter cartridge on my invoice on my job ticket. So.
The septic guy's going to come to replace the filter with the big one instead of the little teeny weeny one.
Yeah, and you can see it's just water. There's no floaties or no.
We're going to replace the little one with the big one that we took out. And I'm going to have him pump it again so I could see it nice and clean.
I was very happy with Superior Septic Services, and especially with Brian, the owner. He really takes sincere care in the work that they do, and he will make sure you're happy. So, when all is said and done, I am very happy with the services that Superior Septic Services LLC provided at my home. At first, I was not thrilled with the small filter, but when I called Brian and told him my concerns, he was more than happy to come out and replace it. So I'm happy. Thank you, Brian.